Yeah, I should hide here.
Okay, good thing I found 2 people. This should be easy to find one last person. Okay, I'm gonna go look over here because I don't know where she would be. I'm pretty sure I looked everywhere. Maybe she was back here with Abby. You never know. Maybe I am blind. But this is so hard. Ah, this is hurting my feet. No, she's not here. This is terrible. I can't find her. Ugh. She's not behind the barn. She's not over there. Dude, I'm about ready to give up. Oh, look. Nope, that's not her. That's a twig. Okay, I give up. I can't find her.
Here I am.
Oh my god. Why did I look over there? Winner. Loser.
Jump on your trampoline.
Loser.